In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Figma prototype to video. First, open your design in Figma and make sure it's truly final. Double-check your frames, naming, and prototype connections. And confirm that your starting frame is set correctly in the Prototype tab. If you have animations like Smart Animate or Micro Interactions, run through them mentally so you know what to expect. Next, open the Plugins menu. You can use the Quick Actions search by pressing Command/ on Mac or Control/ on Windows. Then type Plugins and search for Export Video. You are looking for the plugin that lets you export to GIF or video. Select it and click Run. If Figma prompts you to sign in or authorize the plugin, go ahead and do that using your Figma account. This is a standard permission step so the plugin can read your prototype and render the animation properly. Before you export, preview your prototype in Figma using the Present button. Walk through the flow exactly as you want it recorded. This is a great moment to catch any timing that feels too fast or too slow, since the export will reflect what you see. Now open the Export Video plugin. It will recognize your animated prototype and open a window with settings. Choose the export type. MP4 is the safest choice for sharing and most platforms support it. If you need a lightweight looping clip, choose GIF instead. Set the speed if you want to nudge the timing a bit. Slowing slightly can help viewers catch details. Then choose your frames per second econ. Around 30 frames per second econ gives smooth motion without a huge file size, while higher values look extra fluid but create larger files. Use the built-in preview by clicking the play button. Watch the entire flow. Look for transitions that cut too early, looping that doesn't feel natural, or overlays that need a beat longer on screen. If something feels off, adjust the speed or FPS and preview again until it matches your intention. When you are happy, click Download. Pick a folder on your computer and let the plugin render. Once it's saved, open the file and play it back to confirm the quality and timing. If you spot anything you want to refine, head back to Figma, tweak the prototype or settings, and export again. That's it. Thanks for watching.